Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Many of you already know that I'm a teacher and I love to make little projects like these using Dollar Tree items to decorate my classroom. So today I will be sharing with you how I made that little pumpkin and this little sunflower door decor. So if you want to see how I made these using Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with my sunflower project. I found this messenger bag by the school supplies, and first I'm going to go ahead and take off the tag. I'm going to use the back, not necessarily the part where it has the design, the purple part. I'm going to use the back of it. And it does have a handle inside and some Velcro. I didn't mind the Velcro, but the handle I did cut off. So you want to pull that out and grab your scissors and go ahead and cut that off. And for this project, I'm only using 2 sets of the sunflowers from Dollar Tree. Again, everything I've used in these 2 projects are from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cut that off. And I want to make sure that the sunflowers are not the same size. I want some of the stems longer than the other. Now I'm just cutting off the handle and then I'm just going to hot glue on the sunflowers. But before I do that, I'm just going to take this buffalo check ribbon and just glue it across using hot glue. You can have it directly across or you can have it slanted a little bit. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified when I upload a video. And I'm actually working on a fall bench for my outside or my outdoor decor, so be sure to click that notification bell. When I upload that video, you can get notified. I'm done with it. It just needs to dry. So I'm super excited to share that one with you. So be sure to stick around and click that bell. I don't know what is it with me and outdoor benches, but if you remember last year, I also made a bench, but it was bigger than this one. This one is just going to be a mini bench for my decor and my pumpkins. So like I said, stick around for that video. And now it's time to add our flowers. What I like to do is bend the stem a little bit so the sunflowers are facing forward. That way they're not straight up, if that makes sense. So be sure to bend your stem and then go ahead and apply hot glue and glue your sunflowers down. Now for this step, I ended up adding rope to my little bag here. You could definitely leave the handle that was on there originally, but I wanted to add a rope instead. So I went ahead and did that and used hot glue. And I have those metal words from Dollar Tree and I put that there as well. It was silver and it looked nice, but I spray painted it later on. And here's the final product. I think it turned out pretty cool. Now the next project. I'm going to take these boosters from Dollar Tree. They were by the pool noodles, and I'm going to take any fabric. They have these really cute fabric right now at Dollar Tree with the blue truck, but I'm going to go with the felt, the white felt instead, and because I'm going for a white pumpkin look, and I'm just going to cut that out, just measure and cut, and I realized that the green shows through, so it depends on your fabric here. You might not need to paint it, but I realized that the green does sort of show through the fabric, so I ended up painting a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now I'm just going to wrap it and tuck in the extra pieces. Using hot glue, I'm just going to glue everything in place so that way it doesn't come out or move in any way. So now it's time to decorate it so it doesn't look like a toilet paper roll. I'm going to take these wooden stems. I picked up an entire bag from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to decorate my pumpkin using rope, or you can use white ones, the white strands from the hand mop, or you can use twine, and I think that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm going to take my twine and I'm going to start at the bottom of the pumpkin. I'm not just doing one strand across, I will be doing 3. So I'm going to go from the bottom up and then go back down and then go back to the top and tuck in the extra piece, because that's where my stem is going to be and it will cover everything. So I'm just going to use do this using hot glue, and here I am just going back down. And remember, with the third part, you're going to take it all the way to the top. Once you're done with the first one, you're going to count 4 bumps and then go ahead and put in the next strand of twine. Same thing, start from the bottom, going to the top, and then with the last strand, just go all the way to the inner part. But if you're going to use rope for this step, you definitely don't need to overlap them in any way. I just want the twine to show better, if that makes sense. So that's why I do multiple strands. Now I'm going to take a few strands from this luau skirt, and I'm going to save the rest to make a scarecrow that I will be adding to my bench later on. So I'm just, like I said, taking a few strands and then putting the rest in a bag for the scarecrow. Now I'm just going to take buffalo check fabric that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to focus on the center and glue everything down from the center. And I'm not necessarily going to glue it onto the pumpkin itself. I'm just going to focus the hot glue onto the center of the pumpkin. And here's the finished product. I think they turned out pretty cute and they're going to look very nice in my classroom. This project was super simple and easy to make with a few items. They're all from Dollar Tree, and let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you, and be sure to stay for that bench, you guys. I'm so excited about that one. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.